Hi guys.
Hi,
Miss Erica and Miss Racine, we are going to take you on a virtual field trip, being that we are talking about the earth this week. So, Miss Erica and Miss Racine, we're still practicing social distancing, making sure we are 6 feet apart, but we're going to go and see some places in our earth around our beautiful Leaf Spring School. We miss you guys and we love you, so go on a walk with us. All right. All right, guys. I know it's a chilly morning here in Richmond, so let's find some things. So, you know, our Leaf Spring is Leaf Spring School at the Boulders. Look at those boulders. Do you think that's why they call it the Boulders? Look at those big rocks. Woo! What do you think that rock is as big as? Is it as big as a whale or a dolphin? Let's keep going and see what we see. What do we use these trees for? I think we use trees to get oxygen so we can breathe better. Oh, look at these pretty flowers. Beautiful. Do you think that the earth is beautiful? What are these things up here called? Do you all know? What does it look like? Oh, look at this. What do you think they use this area for? I think they use it for doggies. Do you have a dog at home?
All right, guys, come take a walk with me on this beautiful day. Although it's a little cold, you must still go outside. Exercising is very healthy for you guys, okay? Regardless if you walk around in your house or if you walk around outside. And always be sure to watch out for cars so you don't get hit. So let me move over to the side. All right. So as you can see, you can walk around in your neighborhoods where there's people's homes or even just some trees, you know. Just as long as you get out and stay active during this time of being at home and social distancing, that's always key. All right, guys, guess what? It is snowing, but we've reached where we're going to go for our field trip, so come on with me. I cannot believe it's snowing.
I know. It's so beautiful. Can you guys believe that it is snowing in April after we've had 80-degree weather? Wow.
Well, look, guys, we've come to our field trip. We're at the lake. You see, it's nice and quiet. Nice and peaceful place, you know, where you can come out here, you can throw rocks in the water, you can sit and just read a book with your moms and dads, and just have fun. It's so nice. And it's snowing.
All right, guys, so we've come to the end of our field trip out in the earth. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We hope that you all are getting out and walking and social distancing like Miss Racine and I. And we hope that you all are just learning still at home and you guys are enjoying the activities and the field trips. We miss you.
Miss you so much.
Love you. We can't wait to see you all again soon. So, see you next time.